At the point when individuals discuss detoxification, they ordinarily consider a procedure that happens in the intestinal tract. In any event, that is the thing that occurs in the West. In the East, nonetheless, particularly in China, they consider detoxification in an unexpected way. In view of speculations established in needle therapy that show that real nerve endings are available in our feet, Chinese pharmaceutical endeavors to explain various medical problems starting with the feet. This incorporates issues that medicinal experts in the West treat, beginning with the gut. The act of detoxification through the feet is one case of how a few people in the West are getting back their well-being in view of Eastern medication. This procedure includes herbs that create discharges of hurtful toxins. Consider it sweating out toxins through your feet. Investigate 3 common approaches to home detoxification the Chinese way. Salt bath. Fixings. 1/4 measure of sea salt, Himalayan salt, can be utilized as a substitute. 1/4 measure of Epsom salt. 1/4 measure of baking soda. 1/3 measure of apple cider vinegar. Note: essential oils can likewise be included, yet are totally discretionary. Guidelines. To start with, break up the initial 3 fixings in bubbling water. Put the pot aside to cool marginally and include the apple cider vinegar. At that point, empty the blend into a bowl sufficiently vast to absorb your feet. Include the basic oils in the event that you anticipate utilizing them. Absorb your feet this shower for 30 minutes or more. Avoid potential risk when absorbing your feet this blend. A few people have a dizzy sensation when they complete, so in the event that something goes wrong, don't play out this treatment when you're home alone. Dirt bath. Fixings. 1/2 measure of bentonite dirt, 1/2 measure of Epsom salt. Note: essential oils can likewise be included, however are totally discretionary. Directions. Break up the Epsom salt in high-temp water and pour in the basic oils in the event that you anticipate utilizing them. At that point, take the mud and make a glue with it. To do this, blend it with a smidgen of water. Next, remain in the tub of hot, or warm, water that you arranged with Epsom salt while you rub the earth blend over your body, making a veil. Enable this cover to dry for a couple of minutes before you take a seat in the tub. Absorb the tub for at least 20 minutes to enable the cover to pull the toxins from the skin. At last, expel the dirt cover with a washcloth. The dirt in this shower attempts to pull any substantial metals from your body, while the Epsom salt encourages you repair your magnesium levels. Oxygen bath. Fixings. At least 2 measures of hydrogen peroxide. 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, in powder shape. Guidelines. Include the hydrogen peroxide and ginger to a tub of warm water. Absorb the tub for whatever length of time that you'd like. 30 minutes is prescribed. It's likewise prescribed that you attempt this shower when you have a frosty that includes clog and additionally brought a throbbing painfulness. You will feel greatly improved as the ginger will clear the clog and alleviate the torment. As an additional advantage, it could clear up minor skin aggravations.